It's been over 30 years since the SkyTrain was first introduced to Vancouver Transit riders. Granville Station, the third busiest on the system, accommodates 4 times more traffic than when it opened. The 3 main escalators on the eastern side of the station move up to 30,000 people in and out on an average weekday. Running since 1986, these heavy-duty machines have now reached the end of their usable lifetime and a full replacement is necessary. This process will begin May 26th and will take up to 24 months of consistent work to complete. These escalators are the longest and most complex on our whole SkyTrain system. Measuring 115 feet long, they each have 167 steps. That's over 500 steps in total. Replacing them in a safe and efficient way is a difficult process. The escalators are completely removed and rebuilt piece by piece on site. Custom parts are manufactured from scratch, transported, and installed deep underground in confined spaces. There are 3 entryways to Granville Station: Granville Street, Dunsmuir Street, and Seymour Street. For the duration of the replacement, the Seymour Street entrance will be closed and the 3 longer escalators unavailable. During this time, transit users can access Granville Station from the escalators and elevator at the Dunsmuir Street entrance. Additional fare gates have been installed to accommodate increased customer traffic. The Granville Street entrance will remain open and customers can reach the Dunsmuir escalator by following the marked instructions throughout the station. We thank our customers for their patience while we complete this important project. Investing in the TransLink maintenance and repair program is key to keeping our customers moving. For more information, please visit us at translink.ca/keepmoving.